Permaculture, designing agricultural ecosystems. What if your farm didn't just survive, but thrived in harmony with nature? Permaculture offers a chance to build ecosystems that are abundant, sustainable, and resilient, an approach that benefits your land, your yield, and the planet. Let us show you how to work with nature, not against it. Healthy soil is everything. By using composting, crop rotation, and cover crops, permaculture restores the vitality of your land. No expensive fertilizers, just nature's way of nurturing life. Imagine a farm where soil health leads to endless harvest possibilities. Permaculture emphasizes conserving and managing water through techniques like swales, ponds, and natural irrigation. It's about capturing every drop, ensuring your crops are hydrated and your land remains lush, even during dry seasons. It's efficiency turned into art. Why grow one crop when you can create an ecosystem? Hedgerows, companion planting, and integrated livestock systems foster a balance between plants, animals, and insects. Your farm becomes not just productive, but alive and thriving. Start your journey into permaculture and unlock the potential of your land. Commit to smarter, sustainable farming. Subscribe, share, and take the first step towards a farm that's built to last for you and for generations to come.